Best 3D Printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. Looking to create large, high-quality 3D prints without breaking the bank? The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus delivers jumbo-sized prints, a rare find in sub-$500 3D printers. With a maximum build area of 15.2 by 12.6 by 12.6 inches, it allows you to bring ambitious projects to life. During testing, it consistently produced over 20 objects with impressive quality, making it ideal for both beginners and budget-conscious hobbyists. This open-frame printer requires basic assembly, which provides a hands-on opportunity to learn the 3D printing process. Its visible components, motors, belts, cables, print bed, and extruder offer an educational view of how FDM printing works. Once assembled, setup is straightforward, and operation is smooth. Be sure to add at least one filament spool to your order or choose a bundle that includes filament. The Neptune 4 Plus supports a wide range of materials, including ABS, PLA, nylon, PTG, ASA, and TPU, giving you the flexibility to experiment with different prints. Its single extruder and 100-micron top print resolution ensure detailed results, while the LCD interface with USB and Wi-Fi connectivity makes it easy to control your printing projects. At 32 pounds and with a sturdy open-frame design, the Neptune 4 Plus is compact enough to fit on a table or bench but large enough for creative freedom. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it's the perfect blend of affordability, size, and quality for anyone looking to dive into 3D printing. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Discover the perfect balance of affordability, speed, and quality with the Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer. Designed for both beginners and budget-minded hobbyists, this compact FFF printer delivers high-quality prints with minimal effort. Its closed-frame design keeps your projects secure, while its intuitive setup gets you printing in no time. One of the standout features of the A1 Mini is its optional add-on module, which enables multicolor printing with up to 4 different filaments. This makes creating eye-catching, colorful 3D objects simple and fun. Despite its compact size, it produces sharp, detailed prints with a 100-micron top resolution, ensuring professional-looking results straight out of the box. The A1 Mini supports a wide range of filaments, including PLA, PTG, TPU, and PVA, giving you the flexibility to experiment with diverse projects. Its single extruder design, combined with a user-friendly LCD interface and Wi-Fi or microSD connectivity, makes controlling your prints easy and convenient. Measuring just 13.7 by 12.4 by 14.4 inches and weighing only 12.12 pounds, this printer fits comfortably on any desk or workspace while offering a maximum build area of 70.9 by 70.9 by 70.9 inches. Backed by a 1-year parts and labor warranty, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini offers a reliable, affordable, and enjoyable 3D printing experience. Perfect for beginners looking for an easy start or hobbyists who want multicolor capabilities without spending a fortune, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini makes 3D printing accessible, exciting, and fun. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. Experience high-speed, high-precision 3D printing with the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max, an SLA printer designed to meet the needs of professionals, hobbyists, and enthusiasts alike. Its innovative resin management system works seamlessly behind the scenes, allowing you to focus on creating without the hassle of manual resin handling. From tiny, detailed miniatures to large-scale models, the M7 Max delivers exceptional results with ease. The printer's cutting-edge light source system ensures remarkable print quality, capable of handling calibration files down to 10 microns. Coupled with the closed-frame design, this system guarantees consistent, reliable performance and minimal mess. Remote monitoring features give you peace of mind, letting you track prints from anywhere with Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or USB connectivity. Professionals will appreciate the Mono M7 Max's industrial-grade build quality and precision, making it ideal for rapid prototyping and short-run manufacturing. Meanwhile, enthusiasts benefit from an intuitive interface that simplifies the transition from unboxing to finished print, providing an outstanding resin printing experience at a sub-$1000 price point. With a generous build area of 11.7 by 6.4 by 11.8 inches and a robust 52.91 pounds frame, the M7 Max can handle large projects while maintaining fine detail. Backed by a 1-year warranty, this printer combines speed, precision, and convenience, making it a standout choice for anyone serious about resin-based 3D printing. Whether you're crafting miniatures, prototypes, or artistic models, the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max delivers professional quality results quickly, cleanly, and reliably. Number 4. Entina Tina2. Step into the world of 3D printing without breaking the bank with the Entina Tina2, an ideal starter printer for beginners and young STEM enthusiasts. Designed with simplicity in mind, this compact FDM printer makes learning fun while providing a hands-on introduction to 3D printing concepts. Its transparent, kid-friendly design allows users to watch the printing process and understand how each component works. Despite its budget-friendly price, the Tina2 performs reliably for its target audience. It features a maximum extruder temperature of 245 degrees Celsius, ideal for printing PLA toys, figurines, and small creative projects safely. The build area measures 120 mm x 100 mm x 100 mm, perfect for printing miniature models, keychains, and other small objects. A standard benchy print completes in approximately 91 minutes, offering a quick sense of accomplishment for first-time users. The Tina2 removes unnecessary bells and whistles found in higher-end printers, focusing on ease of use and straightforward assembly. It is an excellent option for families who want to introduce children to STEM concepts or for hobbyists who want a compact, no-fuss machine. While the print quality is modest and the build volume limited, the Tina2's real strength lies in its accessibility, intuitive operation, and supportive community. Whether it's creating toys, trinkets, or STEM projects, the Entina Tina2 provides a cost-effective, educational, and engaging entry point into 3D printing. Perfect for curious kids and budget-conscious hobbyists, it makes 3D printing approachable, enjoyable, and inspiring. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M. Step into the world of 3D printing with the Flashforge Adventurer 5M, a user-friendly FDM printer designed for beginners and hobbyists seeking a hassle-free, plug-and-play experience. With a generous build volume of 220 by 220 by 220 mm, this printer makes it easy to bring your creative ideas to life, from prototypes and toys to home decor and educational projects. The Adventurer 5M features a fully enclosed design that ensures safer operation and more consistent temperature control, improving print quality and reliability. Its PEI build plate allows for strong adhesion during printing while making part removal effortless once prints are complete. The quick-release nozzle enables fast maintenance and filament changes, so you spend less time troubleshooting and more time creating. Auto-leveling technology ensures a perfectly calibrated build surface every time, eliminating the frustration of manual leveling and giving beginners confidence in their first prints. The printer's intuitive interface and cloud control capabilities allow you to manage prints remotely, monitor progress, and even access your designs from anywhere, adding convenience to creativity. Compact yet powerful, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M is ideal for home, classroom, or small office use. Its combination of safety, ease of use, and reliable performance makes it a perfect choice for anyone just starting their 3D printing journey. Whether you're exploring STEM education, crafting personalized gifts, or experimenting with prototypes, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M delivers a smooth, enjoyable, and reliable 3D printing experience right out of the box.